In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add gallery photos to a gallery on your website. At the moment, on our demo site, I've created a gallery page but have not added any gallery photos. So from the admin panel, we would create a page, but this time we would choose a gallery page. Same as before, give it a name, title and heading, and then click Add. I've already added a gallery earlier called Gallery. If I want to manage the gallery, we'll then go in to see what photos are inside that. Before you add a gallery, it's useful to create an album. So for example, with the developments the Ken Gold demo site, we might create a buildings gallery, a refurbishment gallery, or an office gallery. So I'm going to call this one Building Works, and then add album. Once the album's there, we have no images. We can add, manage and edit the name, or even delete. I want to add my first image. We're going to place this in Building Works, but if you had more than one album, you can select the album you want to place this image in. Now I'm going to call this Building 1, caption, Big Building, and then I'll browse on your system, and I'm going to upload this image. And then when that's uploaded, we get a success here at the top of the page. You can see the OK. And then we will click back to Manage Galleries, back into Gallery, and you'll now see we've got one image in there. If we go through to the demo site and go to Gallery and refresh the page, we should now see we have an album called Building Works and our first image in the album. We'll click the album, it's obviously defaultly loaded, hit the image, and then we now see the image and our name of the image and the caption. We can go back to the album and continue. I'm going to add another image now. I'm going to call this Building 2, browse, and upload. OK, back to Manage Galleries, Galleries. We now see two images in there. So let's refresh this page. And we now see two images. We're going to the first one. We can go back to the album. And we can navigate through here. If you want to order these images, we go into Building Works or Manage Gallery, and we literally just click and hold the mouse and move it to the other side. And now when we refresh, let's go back to Gallery, refresh the page, we should have first the second building we uploaded, building number 2. Obviously, as you can imagine, the more images you get, you'll be moving them up and down to sort order. Or we can carry on adding more. In this tutorial, you learned how to add an image to a gallery.